Hello guys, into our channel Teaching Coding. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make 3D shapes in Scratch. Let's get started. And actually, this is all about this thing, so I'll show you something cool. So, new project, name it as 3D shapes drawing. Okay, 3D shapes. And this is all of when you use this cool thing. So delete the cat sprite and we're going to make a new sprite, name it as um, drawing 3D drawing 3D drawing. So you might want to draw some buildings and all of them. All is of this. I'm just going to move my camera bit. Okay, here we go. Okay, so now I'm going to make this a test like a square. So now I will show you something really cool. So make a costume, like I'm just going to make a square. And now see this, use the pen extension and when flag clicked, make a new custom block. Just create with the input of costume with the label of count and of count. Run without screen fresh, and now I will tell you what it happens. I'm going to create costume 1 or the square. I'm just going to, okay, you can write either way. I'm going to write the name because it's helpful, like for me to even change them, and count of 10. And I'm going to go to position. Okay, so this is my position. I'm going to go to 0 0 at first, and using the count, repeat for repeat the count, and also switch costume to the costume. You go change y by 1, and we actually hide the costume or real sprite. So hide. What is the thing is that when you hide and when you stamp the sprite, I will tell you that it will still show. And if you set the ghost effect to 100, the effects will affect the stamps, but the hiding doesn't affect the pen. This hide blocks the pen stamping. Okay, so change y by 1, but before that just click stamp. See what I have created. Did you see this? This looks 3D and also looks cool. You can also turn this, that's also option. Turn this. What if this is like this? Oh, did you see that? That's so cool. Actually, I can go back, and using the shift I can go back like here. This really looks cool, guys. I can see that this looks cool, and I'm going to turn it a bit like this. See that? And even if we turn, and I will just show you, so the it actually looks 3D. And what if we do this, repeat this by 10 times, but we then change turn by 36 degrees. So we do a full turn. Let's see that. Oh my god, guys, this really works. I can see that. What if I were to put a 5? And also at first we have to erase all. Well, let's go. Oh my god, this really works. Actually, you can see this 3D thing. 3D drawing. I think I should make a thing called edit. Name it as and label of turn Guys, can you imagine these are so easy? Well, now this tells that these are so easy, and we need an input of turn. And here we go. Turn to 5 and turn by count. Turn by turn. And we point in direction of 0. Let's start from 0. Oh wow! Look at this. Scratch created this amazing spiral. I think this is so cool. Now, what I'm going to do is to do many 3D drawings. So after this, then go to another position. I'm going to go with y to be, the x to be minus 100. So now, let's see that. Minus 100 is not better. Minus 200, that will be better. Oh no, minus 150 should be better. See that, guys? Now I'm going to make this a circle, and using this you can make buildings and things, and I'm going to do buildings after. So duplicate circle. What if we can actually change color, right? And you can also say a change color effect. And this actually, in fact, we need a circle. You see a cylinder, you see this pattern, and it doesn't, even if you turn, it doesn't work really. But what if this was an oval? That would be interesting, isn't it? Going to be interesting. Oh wait, I put a turn. With this turn should be fine. Now let's test it out. Oh my god, guys, can you believe this? This is so cool. And how did this even, if this was in Scratch, this will be so cool, and now it is. It has the fencing problem. And also, I just wanted to make it go down a bit. Maybe y to be minus 100 and maybe 100. Minus 100. Maybe not this much. Not 100, but a 50 and a 50. It is too much. 50 is too much. I will try 40 and a 40, and now you see, guys, this looks pretty good. Yep, at the end we shouldn't see actually. Wait, is that hidden? Should the last part is showing off. The last should not be stamped actually. Wait, actually this is the thing. If I didn't show this, then yeah, it's fine actually. So this is how you can create some 3D drawings. And let's make a triangle. Let's try what that triangle does. So amazed of Scratch here, guys. You would also think this is so cool. Yep, that's the same thing. I also think. Now create a square using the shift key. No, it's fine if you don't use the shift. I'm going to make the color to be green, and in this thing use the pointing tool thing and just select the other corner and just delete. Now you see a triangle. You can now resize this triangle to be like this. I'm going to maybe just shift. Oh no, one thing. Yeah, now using the shift and put it in the center. Now let's try, guys. Here we go. Oh, we didn't create. Okay, I understand. Didn't create, and this to be 100. Instead of all to be 40, I'll put it 30. Not better actually. So I'm just going to put it 30. And this to be triangle. Oh, see, I'm exploring some shapes. It is really cool. This looks realistic, actually. In fact, yeah. And this is. Oh wait. This is mine minus 100, and this should be 100. No, 150. Let's try that out, guys. Here we go. Oh my, that was mind-boggling. And this is the thing. I see. And put the run without screen refresh. Now it does in a snap. Oh wait. Then why? Oh, I'm repeating this, guys. So I'm just put it 300, 300, and delete the repeat. Yeah. So we're just going to repeat and put it 300 and 300. I'm so amazed of this scratch thing, guys. Really.